Welcome to the VisualFractions.com YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to demonstrate how to divide fractions, specifically 1/45th by 1/54th. First, let's understand our problem. We're dealing with two fractions. The first has a numerator of 1 and a denominator of 45, and the second has a numerator of 1 and a denominator of 54. The process of dividing fractions is quite straightforward but requires a step many forget. You keep the first fraction as is, take the reciprocal of the second fraction, which means you flip it, and then you multiply. So, let's dive right into the division. Keep the first fraction. Our fraction 1/45th stays as 1/45th. Find the reciprocal. The reciprocal of 1/54th is flipping it over to get 54 over 1, or simply 54 when you interchange the numerator and denominator. Time to multiply. Now, we'll multiply our two fractions together. So, 1/45th multiplied by 54 over 1 it is. For the numerators, 1 times 54 equals 54. For the denominators, 45 times 1 results in 45, resulting in the fraction 54/45ths. However, we're not done just yet. This fraction is an improper one, given that the numerator surpasses the denominator. Breaking it down, 54/45ths is equal to 1 and 9/45ths. But there's more. 9/45ths can be further simplified to 1/5. So, the whole fraction becomes 1 1/5. And that's it. You've now mastered the division of 1/45th by 1/54th, ending up with the simplified result. With a bit of practice, fraction division will become second nature. If this tutorial shed light on the topic for you, please drop a like and consider subscribing for more enlightening math content. Thanks for joining us today, and we're eager to assist you further in your mathematical journey.